Hello everyone, I'm Sunil Kumar and today we are going to learn two powerful English words that can instantly improve your vocabulary. Listen carefully, implicitly, explicitly. They look similar and they sound similar, but their meanings are completely different. Let's understand them clearly. First word, implicitly. Implicitly means something is understood but not said directly. It is hidden, it is indirect, or it is suggested, not spoken clearly. For example, your friend says, some people are always late. He didn't say your name, but you know that is implicit. So remember, implicit means not directly stated, it is indirect or it has a hidden meaning. Now let's talk about the second word, explicitly. Explicitly means something is said clearly or directly with no confusion. For example, your boss says, Shiva, you must submit this report by 5 pm. That is explicit, very clear, not hidden message. Another example, the rules say mobile phones are strictly not allowed in the exam hall. That is explicit, instruction, clear, direct, no doubt. Now let's compare them quickly. Implicitly hidden meaning, explicitly clear meaning, implicitly indirect, explicitly direct. Implicitly you understand without it being said clearly, explicitly it is clearly spoken or written. Let me give you one powerful sentence to remember this forever. She implicitly criticized him. It means she criticized him indirectly. She explicitly criticized him. It means she clearly and directly criticized him. See the difference. Small words, big impact. So from today, don't just speak English, speak clearly, use powerful vocabulary, and tell me in the comments, make one sentence using implicitly and one using explicitly. Okay guys, if you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing.